Hi, hello everyone. What's going on? We are preparing food for squirrels and different birds, etc. We will sit here on the trees, and you will see like what will happen, how the birds or squirrels will come and will eat this. Right? First, I set these things. Right? This is early morning here now, and we will enjoy. Right? I will show you that how we can feed to the wildlife. We also need to feed to wildlife as we feed to humans, because these both lives are most important on the earth planet, wildlife and human life. Now I'm connecting the Bluetooth. Right? I think now will be clear more than before, right? Now will be clear somehow. But I will show you like this, right? And this is early morning. Tell me about yourself. What's going on nowadays? Do you like wildlife and nature, and you like animals, birds, or insects, or what else? And what type of videos? You must tell me in comments. I will make this type of videos, and I also want to provide food, water, and shelter to the birds and animals in the wild. It's really amazing, fantastic. Let's see. Hello everyone. You saw here that we said to the wildlife, squirrels, animals, and this is the just startup. We will provide more and more, and to the birds, to the animals, to the insects even, feed, water, and shelter, everything. Because nature is our beauty. If we will not protect this, then we will lose this, right? So we need to protect wildlife and nature. I want your support, that you support me as a joint membership, or at least you can subscribe and share with friends and family, right? Then we can do more and can support more. Thank you. Thanks for watching.